Okay, let's see how this one goes. This will be an interesting one. Don't know how big we're going to make it. We're going to wait till we get it. So let's see what we can do with this. Maybe just a little bit. We don't want to lose all the yellow, because the yellow tends to be what goes missing when you use background removal. We're just going to leave the text at that. We don't want to make background on this. A little bit of contrast, and the copy density stay in the middle. I don't think we need to make a master copy for this, so we won't have to lighten it. We don't have to worry about a second generation effect on the copy. It'll be straight off the original, which will be really, really nice. So let's see what we've got. I'm going to enlarge it, so let's see. It is this. I'm trying to think where it came from. I think it came out of a holiday paper or something similar, or a lift out. We're just going to make this into our original. We're just going to cut off the top of that mountain. We've got a reason for it, so now we're just going to put that mountain at the top. We're just going to slide it across. So we're just going to chop off the top of that mountain. So let's see how we go. The vertical is going to be A5, which will be 141%. We might just take liberty and cut that bottom bit off. And this part's going to be needs to be slightly bigger, so it's quite an easy-ish sort of enlargement. We've got a good idea how big it's going to be. So we're now just going to go here, and we're going to go for the vertical. For the horizontal, it's going to be a bit bigger than 141, so it's going to be 150. And for the vertical, it's going to be 141. What? Oh, fuck. What have we done? Damn it. 100. We're going to make it 140. We're not going to bother making it exact. There's no point. So let's see how this mirror image is going to look. It's going to be made into a mirror. So let's see how we go. See if we can get it first off. Looking good. Okay, that looks nice. So now we've got that. We've got the nice little boat. I'm just wondering what's going to make the middle. I'm thinking that's going to look good in the middle. I was thinking that would make a good centre, but I'm thinking that's going to be a centre. And the boat looks nice just cruising by. So now we're just going to press off another. We're just going to go finish and then start. Out it comes. See how we go. That's our second piece, and that's going to go that way. So this is going to be upside down looking, and this will be the right way up. So the little boat is going to add some interest to the overall image. So just putting them together as best as we can without getting too fussed. So that's it. And we're just going to punch in 2 mirrors to finish the job. Okay, let's see how we go. Okay, let's see how these look. But it's nice to have these printed straight off the original. So I'm really happy with that overall effect. Now that's interesting because I was going to make that the middle. I was thinking that was going to be the middle, but yeah, it's different. There's actually waterfall. That's actually a waterfall as well, so that makes sense. Didn't know it was a waterfall until just then. just like the other one, just like the one on this side. It's a waterfall. Very nice. They must be having a fun time cruising around in their boat, or maybe they're just posing for the picture and it's just a job to them. Although I think travelling would be a really good career for a lot of people. Obviously a well sought after career when you consider travelling as part of your job. It's like, fuck, best thing on earth. I can imagine how a travel-minded person would feel having a job that involves travelling. So now that looks quite fantasy-like. That's very strange. So now I think we can call it quits.